Ano ba dapat talaga mauna? Long-term healthcare or life insurance? Let's identify the purpose. Ang life insurance ay perang mapamana sa pamilya kung wala na tayo. Ang healthcare is if we want to live longer kahit retired na, then long-term healthcare. Sadly, there's only one long-term healthcare in the Philippines, and that's Kaiser. So how does this work? 7 years lang tayong mag-ipon and then stop. Makakuha po tayo ng Certificate of Complete Payment. At kahit 1 year lang yung contribution natin, pwede na tayong pang-hospitalization. But kung ayaw natin ma-hospitalize, then we have the annual physical exam, meron naman ding dental benefit. And what I personally love sa Kaiser is if ever walang mangyaring hospitalization within 7 years, 85% sa hinuhulog po natin, babalik sa atin. At meron din siyang pagnagdag na life insurance. So if ever may mangyari po sa atin, yung policy, of course, may bibigay na insurance money sa family natin, but transferable po siya sa primary beneficiary. So hindi po end of story kung wala na po tayo. At kung hindi din siya magagamit, then it becomes our savings with interest. So, kahit hindi tayo nagkakasakit, much better po, no? And mag-acquire po siya ng interest compounded up to 10% every year. Kahit matanda na po tayo. So, yung tatlong scenarios, living short, living long, getting sick along the way, sagot po yan ni Kaiser. Kaya nga, recommended si Kaiser Long-Term Healthcare. Ito talaga ang ipon na walang takot at walang tax.